cozy cage with hay so neat lives a fluffy friend, small and sweet, with whiskers twitching and eyes so bright. The guinea pig, a delightful sight. Its fur like velvet, soft to touch, in shades of brown or black or such. With a wiggling nose it sniffs around, exploring its world safe and sound. With gentle squeaks it makes its plea for treats and cuddles with glee. In tiny paws it holds our heart, the guinea pig a joy to impart. So let's sing to the piggy dear, and dear its cozy home without a fear, with every wiggle and snuggle tight. The guinea pig brings pure delight. Among the hay they scamper and play, in their world of joy every day. With furry coats and hearts so kind, guinea pigs, a treasure to find. So let's cherish them with love so true. With furry coats and hearts so kind, guinea pigs, a treasure to find. So let's cherish them with love so true, the guinea pig, in all they do. In their cozy cage so snug and tight, the guinea pig, our hearts